sir.
Chandu.
Sir.
To make this occasion even more vibrant, enthusiastic, colorful, and deterministic. India boasts a rich heritage
Sir.
of sports success, achievements.
Come on. Sir. Hurry.
Now let me begin by introducing and extending a warm welcome to our esteemed guest of honor, Mr. Sardar Tara Singh Garu. Sir, your illustrious career as a former Indian University hockey player and your leadership as chairman of the SBR Foundation Sports Club, Hyderabad, have left an indelible mark in the field of sports. Your role as director of the sports Your role as Director of the Sports Development Welfare Association and Vice President. I also Brihad Schools. A warm welcome to you, sir, and thank you for gracing this occasion and making this day a vibrant and colorful one. So thank you so much, sir.
Madam, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, all the children, the Principal Ramadevi Ma'am and New Geetanjali School, distinguished guests, parents, teachers and my dear children. I am very happy, pleased to speak to you today at a great event, VDM, the journey towards the victory. Sports Day celebrations of New Geetanjali School. This indeed is a very special day for me. Every single time I had participated in the sports competition as a fair athlete. In all my years being a former international athlete and former Indian University hockey player, it's my first time in this great educational institution, Sports Day celebrations at this premises. It's my privilege and pleasure of being a great guest of honor for a wonderful event. I take this opportunity to thank the Principal Ma'am, Ramadevi Garu, and the event in charge C.K. Rekha Ma'am, and physical education team and New Geetanjali School for inviting me as a guest of honor for a special, spectacular event. And first of all, I'd like to say one thing. We are not the chief guests over here. You are the little stars who are sitting in front of me. You are the little stars and you are the chief guests. And I would like to congratulate all the parents from morning who were sitting here and observing your kids' performance. And I wish and congratulate 3-year journey towards the success organized by New Geetanjali School, management and physical education team, non-teaching staff and supporting staff. And I request all the children, please give a big round of applause for your parents. Once again, request all the children, the little stars, the wonder stars, please give a big round of applause. I can't hear. I know that you're tired from morning to morning. You are here. I know you're very tired and exhausted, and you're waiting for your medals and your trophies. And I like to share. I know the speeches are very boring. I came here to share my experiences as I was a student. As I was studying in 8th standard, I got selected for Sports Authority of Andhra Pradesh. And actually my educational, I used to study, my teacher doesn't know I belong to a sports academy. Then one day regularly I used to go late to the school, and my class teacher always says, you are not completing your work in time. Then I was disappointed and I was sitting idle and I was not participating in any sports in my school. Then my physical teacher, PET sir, came near me. What happened, Tara Singh? Why you are not participating in all the activities and sports? What happened? Then I told, sir, this is the reason my teacher abused me in all front of my teachers, all my students. I am a little bit nervous. I am not well today. Then he counseled me. He recognized me, and he told, no. Both academics and non-academics both are the same. You have to balance the both. It has two sides of coin, like head and tails. Academics and non-academics. Then my PT sir, he had took out my hidden talent, and I represented my class. Guess how many students were there in my class? 40. In each section, our school was sections having up to H, that means 400 students. If I want to participate in my class, I have to be first out of all 400 students. Then my PT sir gave me coaching in morning early hours before zero period, and he motivated me. I represented my class, then I represented my school, then I was selected for school nationals under 14, Andhra Pradesh. Then afterwards I represented my state, and afterwards I represented my country. Then the main credit goes to my physical educational teacher. He motivated me and he has spotted me, my talent, and he guided me which sport I can play. Then later, I was always, in my college days, I was always see the programs going on in our school event. At that time, I was able to think, when I will be getting this opportunity as a chief guest to address all the public. Then, today I got that opportunity given by New Geetanjali School, Srimati Ramadevi Madam Garu. And from one month, CK Rekha ma'am is following me up, and she was just taking me my updates. Sir, are you willing to come? When are you going to come? Are you busy or not? Then I told, definitely ma'am. This is a platform for me to address and motivate the young little stars. Tomorrow they may be playing for their school, tomorrow they may be playing for the state, and tomorrow they may be playing for the country. And flag of the New Geetanjali School, not only in state, not only in inter schools, even in state and in the country also. I wish all the best for the children. And coming to sports, I always kept in my mind, right from a childhood, I play in the hockey field, which I play a great advantage. All work, no play, make a jack a dull boy. Just got away from my parents and my teachers. I think it would hold a lot of fool to understand. Sport is not only a big being an extracurricular activities, sport is an actually integral part whatever you do. Everybody says that yes, it helps you to remain healthy, but it builds a lot of team spirit and it improves your leadership skills. But I think most important part of two lessons which I have learned from sports are: one, it helps to understand and overcome the failures. In my life, understand more failures than success. And if you can't overcome the failures, it is very difficult to handle the success. I am sure all of you who watch sports know visit Virat Kohli on the first day maybe run out on 0, but he comes back for a next innings, want to score a century. Indeed, it happens in tennis. A unseeded player can beat a seeded player. It is ability to overcome the failures, make success which will actually take a high up you in life. It makes them to understand that in life, even if you are not first, if you can't understand others, you may be first, someone to field in first. There are some of the first in sports. So please accept everyone, have the right sportsman spirit and have a great time when you are a sportsman. Look forward to encouraging the day and join all of you, perform, compete with each other and have a great time. Wishing all the houses all the best. May the best team win. And special thanks to Ramadevi ma'am for inviting me as guest of honor for this great institution. And I appreciate all the parents to choosing this. A great institution is the best platform for your, not only the academics, it's for co-curricular activities also. I request all the parents, please take out some time and go out in nature and love the nature and spend time with the children and play with them. And I request all the children, 3 cheers for your new Geetanjali school. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, clap, I need clap. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. I can't hear your voice. Louder claps. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 3 cheers for new Geetanjali school. Hip hip. Louder, hip hip. Louder, hip hip. This should be in your life ever loud noise. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Jai Hind.
A former university hockey player whose passion and dedication to sports have left an indelible mark on many. To do the honors, I kindly invite our esteemed founder director, sir, Mr. Suresh Babu Damara, sir, to present a token of appreciation and to felicitate our guest of honor, Mr. Sardar Tara Singh Garu. Let us all join together in applause to celebrate this moment. So thank you so much for spending your precious time and giving an inspirational words to all of our students. Thank you so much for everything, sir.